Which country has been selected to host the 8th edition of the Commonwealth Youth Games in 2027? Right answer is option C, Malta. The GP Drishti drone program has been launched by which state government? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Which state was officially declared as the India's first fully digitally literate state? Right answer is option B, Kerala. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Sashastra Seema Bal SSB? Right answer is option D, Sanjay Singhal. Which state government has declared 7th August as Sustainable Agriculture Day? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra. Where was the high altitude technology demonstration exercise Divya Drishti conducted by the Indian Army? Right answer is option A, Sikkim. Where was the 15th COP of Ramsar Wetland Convention recently concluded? Right answer is option B, Zimbabwe. Recently, after 13 years, which medal did India win at the 2025 World Junior Team Squash Championship? Right answer is option C, bronze medal. Which ministry has launched the PM Yuva 3.0 scheme? Right answer is option D, Ministry of Education. Who has been recently appointed as the new director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center? Right answer is option A. Raja Rajan. Who has recently become India's 89th Grandmaster? Right answer is option D, Rohit Krishna. Which ministry has launched E0 FIR initiative for fast tracking of FIRs in cyber financial fraud cases? Right answer is option A, Ministry of Home Affairs. Who won the first edition of 2025 Chess Esports World Cup held in Riyadh? Right answer is option B, Magnus Carlsen. Recently, India has become which ranked country in the world in terms of aviation market? Right answer is option D, fifth ranked country. Recently, who has been honored with the 43rd Lokmanya Tilak National Award? Right answer is option C, Nitin Gadkari. Where was the first ever BIMSTEC traditional music festival held recently? Right answer is option C, New Delhi, India. On which date National Space Day 2025 is celebrated? Right answer is option A, 23rd of August. Who has won the 2025 Durand Cup title? Right answer is option B, Northeast United FC. Which Indian state has launched its first AI-based real-time forest alert system? Right answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. In which state India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant been inaugurated? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Recently in the Global AI City Index 2025, which Indian city achieved the highest rank? Right answer is option B, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Where will the country's first archery league be held? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Recently, where was the 25th SEO Summit held in August 2025? Right answer is option C, China. Where was the 64th National Art Exhibition recently inaugurated? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Where was the Indian Open 2025, a World Athletics bronze level continental championship held first time in India? Right answer is option B, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. How many medals did India win at the Under 19 World Boxing Championship 2025? Right answer is option D, 14 medals. Who has been recently selected as the ICC Player of the Month for the July 2025? Right answer is option C, both A and B, Sophia Dunkley and Subhaman Gill. Which Independence Day was celebrated on 15th August 2025? Right answer is option A, 79th rank. Who recently won the title of third Quant Box Chennai Grandmaster 2025? Right answer is option B, Vincent Kiemer. Where was the International Kite Festival 2025 organized in India? Right answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Where was the world's first World Humanoid Robot Games organized in August 2025? Right answer is option C, China. Where did the first ever Khelo India Water Sports Festival begin recently? Right answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Recently, Governor C.P. Radhakrishnan of which state has been chosen as the NDA candidate for the Vice President election? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Recently, who has won the title of Miss Universe India 2025 held in Rajasthan? Right answer is option D, Manika Vishwakarma. What is India's rank in the IMD 2025 World Competitiveness Ranking? Right answer is option C, 41st rank. UIDAI recently partnered with which company to facilitate Aadhaar based eKYC in India? Right answer is option A, Starlink. When will the first phase of India's 16th census scheduled for 2027 begin? Right answer is option C, 1st October 2026. Recently, which state was honored by the central government for the number of organ donations? Right answer is option B, Telangana. Where was India's first AI powered Anganwadi center recently inaugurated? Right answer is option D, Nagpur. Where has the ISRO recently inaugurated the Himalayan Outpost for Planetary Exploration? Right answer is option C, Ladakh. Who has recently become the 47th Vice Chief of the Naval Staff? Right answer is option B, Sanjay Vatsyayan. Who has been recently appointed as the new Vice Chief of the Army Staff? Right answer is option D, Lieutenant General Pushpender Singh. Which team won the title of 15th Hockey India Junior Women National Championship 2025? Right answer is option A, Jharkhand. According to the recent reports, which city has been ranked as the safest city in India? Right answer is option C, Mangalore in Karnataka. Indian Railways successfully tested Asia's longest freight train. What is its name? Right answer is option B, Rudrastra. Where are the World Games 2025 being held from August 7 to 17? Right answer is option A, China. Who has recently launched India Electric Mobility Index? Right answer is option C, Niti Aayog. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the National Media and Entertainment Council? Right answer is option D, Gaurav Banerjee. Which Indian bank has recently become the first to receive the standardization, testing and quality certification? Right answer is option A, Bank of India. Which country plans to set up the first nuclear reactor on the moon? Right answer is option B, USA. Which state is the host of Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.